Hi, let us solve second exercise problems of chapter polynomials. Coming to the first main problems, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Coming to the first problem, x square minus 2x minus 8. Let us take the polynomial as p of x. So given polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 8. So we have to find its zeros of the polynomial. So to find the zeros of a polynomial, so let us write p of x value as 0. So x square minus 2x minus 8. Let me write this equation as x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us find the x value using the method factorization by splitting the middle term. So first term here x square and third term is minus 8. So multiply, we will get minus 8x square. So we should find the factors of minus 8x square such that if you add those two factors, we should get middle term. So the factors are, so let me take minus 4x and plus 2x. Minus 4x plus 2x, it is minus 2x. Minus 4x into plus 2x, that is minus 8x square. Let me write the factors x square, write as it is. So you split the minus 2x as plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Let me take x square plus 2x as first group, minus 4x minus 8 as another group. So in the first group, let me take x common. So x plus 2 right inside the bracket minus. So in the second group, take 4 as a common. So and x plus 2 right inside the bracket is equal to 0. So now x into x plus 2 as a one group and minus 4 into x plus 2 as another group. So in these two groups, you take x plus 2 is common and x minus 4 right as it is equal to 0. So apply zero product rule. So that is x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x value is plus 2, if you transpose to right hand side, it becomes minus 2, or x value is plus 4. Now these are the two roots of a given quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. That is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 4. Now we have to find the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. So we have to compare this given quadratic polynomial with its standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So comparing with the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, we will get a is equal to, that is coefficient of x square, it is 1. So b is equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 2, and c value is constant, that is minus 8. We know that the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient, if alpha and beta are the two roots, then sum of its roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now alpha value we already find, that is minus 2, plus beta is another root of a given quadratic polynomial, that is plus 4 is equal to minus b value, it is minus 2 divided by a value, it is coefficient of x square, that is 1. So minus 2 plus 4, it is 2, is equal to minus of minus, it is plus 2. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So alpha, it is minus 2, beta value is 4 is equal to c minus 8 divided by 1. Minus 2 into 4, it is minus 8 is equal to minus 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. Thus we have verified the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us solve remaining exercise problems. Thank you.